Hi guys, in this video I will show you the application which is used to download the videos which is rather from your Facebook, your YouTube, your Instagram or anywhere else. You can download them by just using a single app. So let's get started.
Didn't even get to bronze.
So guys, first of all you have to go to your Play Store and download the app vidlike. This is the app. You have to download this. After downloading, just open it. So here it is. It's showing that search or enter URL. So you have to enter the URL or the link of the video you have to download. The video could be the Facebook video or the YouTube video. It's your choice. So for suppose I have to download the Facebook video. I will go to my Facebook and I have some saved videos in my Facebook and I have to download that video in my gallery. So I will copy the link of that video like this video lol, that's right. I will copy the link of this video. Here it is, copy link. So the link is copied. Now I will go to that app and paste here. So I will paste the link, paste and download. So it's downloading the video. So our video is downloaded. Now here is the app. You can check that here is the video. I can play for you. So here is the video. You can check that. Now so the video is working. So if you want to download another video, just go to your Facebook and other video, any of the video like this, just click on this, copy the link, go to your vidlike app, download. So here it's downloading the app. Here it is. So first of all, when the first time you will download the video from the Facebook, it will ask your login ID password of the Facebook. So the first time you have to enter your email address and the password, so then you can download the video, but it will be only the first time. Then you can download it like just I am downloading this video, but the first time you have to enter your email address and ID and password. So thanks for watching the video guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you.